Upgraded Anker Soundcore 2 portable Bluetooth speaker with 12W stereo sound, Bluetooth 5, VASIP, IPX7 waterproof, 24-hour playtime, wireless stereo pairing, speaker for home, outdoors, travel. Tom's Guide calls it the best Bluetooth speaker value. Unbelievable sound, 12W of pure audio power with enhanced bass thunders from dual neodymium drivers. An advanced digital signal processor ensures pounding bass and zero distortion at any volume. Intense bass, exclusive bass-up technology and a patented spiral bass port boost low-end frequencies to make the beats hit even harder. Outdoor-proof, protection safeguards against rain, dust, snow, and spills. Get incredible sound at home, in the yard, or anywhere else imaginable. Grab, go, listen, classic design that has been refined and lightened with effortlessly simple controls. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.